over there. We're gonna get them. Over there between the trees.
What's behind the tree?
The waterfalls. Over that way. Did you see them?
No.
Over on the mountain over there. I forget what they're called. Well, they got a name. Well, pretty soon we'll be coming over this Frankenstein. I think that's what it's called. Trestle. That's the most scary one. Look at down here. You didn't see it? It's back there. You can see if you look back, Connie, it's way to the back. You didn't see it? It's across the way. We needed to bring some binoculars. This is Crawford, Notch, New Hampshire. On the Crawford Notch train ride from North Conway up through Crawford Notch to Haiti. I think we're coming to the other trestle. Wow. You're right on the trestle. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? Wow. We couldn't have had a prettier day, right, Connie? There's Connie right here.
You gotta put those on Facebook.
I will. You'll get to see them. There's the roadway down there. Oh, she's out the window. She wants me to take a picture of her out the window. She got a reflection of me. Hi, Connie. Hi. She's quite a character. Lots of fun. We've had fun on our little New Hampshire ventures. A couple boat rides and now the train ride.
How gorgeous.
Isn't that beautiful?
How beautiful.
Crawford Notch, New Hampshire. Praise Jehovah, right? For all these wonderful creations of His. Yeah. It's really gorgeous. He's stopping, he said, for a minute so we could see the scenery.
Gas.
That's okay. We ran out of gas. We get to stay here.
It's not about me.
Hey,
This is a train.
I'll take the last car.
The train, inside the train. Where'd you go, Connie?
I said I'm going to the last car. It's my room.
She said she was going to the last car. Well, I think she was just being funny, but that's Connie. Anyways, back to the scenery. And I guess we'll cut this clip off just about here and do another one in a minute. I guess that means we're going. Yeah, look at that. Here we go. A gorgeous fall day.